Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning in my Hobonichi Weeks the week of November 25 to December 1st. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited to start planning in my planners all the Christmas spreads. I'm using a kit from my shop. It is discontinued already. It was for the Thanksgiving week. The name is Count Your Blessings. In case you don't know me, because you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you're just stopping by, welcome. I hope you consider to subscribe. My name is Sannia. I'm the owner of the sticker shop Lil Annabelle's Plans. The link of all my social media and my shop is down below, as well as a discount code for all my YouTuber friends. And yeah, this is one of my kits. I do make Hobonichi Weeks and Erin Condren Happy Planner and a mini kit that fits perfectly for the mini Happy Planner and the print expressions. And my shop is a hand-drawn sticker shop. I made most of the characters and the designs, as well as my husband that helps me with some characters. I just want to give you so much thank you for your time, and my shop is almost 100 subscribers and I'm very excited, and this could not be possible if you wouldn't subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. And if you are just stopping by, I hope you consider to subscribe. I think I already said that. But yeah, this is the week of Thanksgiving and I was struggling on this spread because I wanted to use the full boxes, but at the same time I know that I have to do a lot of things this week. I cook the Thanksgiving dinner for my family, and at the same time my shop will be participating on the Ultimate Planner sale for the Black Friday weekend. It starts on Thanksgiving during the afternoon. I believe it's at 6 p.m. PST and ends on Monday. And I have to do a lot of things as well from my shop. If you want to take advantage to the sale and get all the goodies that I'm going to have available, get to my Instagram. The link is down below, so you don't miss the coupon code when we reveal. I will be offering 30% off discount, and I have freebies from other shops and as well as my shop. So yeah, I already decided where I'm going to put it, and I layer a little bit the habit trackers. Now I'm putting some date dots, and then I will be putting a sticker die cut that is from my shop as well, and it's because I love to do that on the Hobonichi. It's one of the things that I'm going to miss when I move to the PP Weeks, and is to put the sticker die cuts. I filmed this video very ahead of time, and that is why I didn't put any weather tracker. That's what I do on those tiny squares that I frame. But if you want to see the spread completely, follow the link of Cuties plans. That's my head. I didn't realize that I was on frame, but yeah. Follow me on Cuties plans so you can see a picture of how it looks. And my shop's link is down below, so you can see all the goodies and new releases and everything that I share about my shop. I'm placing some Rosie Bears doing exercise because I'm starting again doing exercise. I hope that I don't get sick again. And that is all. What do you think? I really love it. The pencil that I'm just putting right now is just to mark down that my daughter doesn't have school starting on Wednesday, but then I realized that I put it on Tuesday, and you will be seeing me that I'm just moving that. I'm very excited. I'm thankful for all the blessings that I have in my life, especially this channel. It really helps me with being scared of talking in English. So I want to thank you for all the love and support that you have been giving me since I started this channel. And That's it, cuties. What do you think? I really love it. Thank you so much for watching, for all your time, and like always, I will see you next time. Bye.